Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys how to make rice cream at home. So this homemade rice cream is a magical cream for your skin. It makes your skin really bright, glowing, radiant and spotless. It removes all the aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines and fade away all your dark spots, acne scars, pimples, suntan and even out your skin complexion and makes your skin tone really bright, glowing, hydrated and supremely moisturized from within. So this homemade rice cream is very easy to make. It has rice, which is an excellent ingredient for your skin. Rice has miraculous anti-aging properties into it and has been used by Korean and Japanese women since many years to make their skin really bright, glowing, flawless and crystal clear. So now let's see how to prepare this rice cream at home. So to prepare this cream, you firstly gonna need rice flour, and here I'm taking approx 1/4 teaspoon of rice flour into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that it makes into a smooth paste. After that, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Next up, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, or if you don't have this oil, then you can even use the capsules. And here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the capsules, then use 2 vitamin E capsules. And after adding this oil, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing it well, now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding approx 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients again so that they mix into a smooth, creamy and a fluffy cream. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade rice cream is ready and will look something like this. This cream should be supremely fluffy, creamy, smooth and shiny as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this cream. So you can store this cream in any airtight container, and here I'm using this small airtight glass jar, and I'm just transferring this cream into this small jar, and you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 1 month. So this rice cream is perfect for all skin types. It hydrates your skin from within and moisturizes it deeply. It helps you in treating all types of dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, as well as in removing all the pimples and the acne scars from your skin. This cream will also help you in removing the suntan and the uneven skin tone from your skin and makes your skin really clear, spotless and glowing. This cream has amazing anti-aging properties into it because of the rice and the glycerin. Rice is an excellent ingredient for your skin. It helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, as well as in making your skin supremely clear and anti-aging. This cream can fade away all your wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin and makes your skin really ageless, flawless and completely acne or pimple free. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you can use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just take a little amount of this cream and apply it nicely onto your skin. Just massage it in circular motion so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you really glowing look. And after massaging it for a few minutes, just leave it like that overnight, and for the best results you can use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.